I'm Oliver. Counting in Chinese is very easy. If you know 1 till 10, then you can count all the way up to 99. Okay, let's begin. Me first, then Kate, and then with a loud voice you repeat. 一
一、
二
二、
三
三、
四
四、
五
五、
六
六、
七
七、
八
八、
九
九、
十。
十。
You repeated that perfectly. Here I show you the numbers again, including pinyin and characters. 一、二、三、四、五、六、七、八、九、十。And now we're going to play a bit. Please pay attention. I need your utmost concentration. 11, that's 十一. 12, that's 十二. 13, that's 十三. Please keep up your concentration. 20, that's 二十. 30, that's 三十. 40, that's 四十. Once again, please pay attention. I'll now explain how to count all the way up to 99. 21, that's 二十一. 32, that's 三十二. 57, that's 五十几. And finally 99, that's 九十九.